Hi, my name is Patrick. Here I am there to discuss about the difference between the raw score and the scale score. How much is the difference normally? Normally, when we look at the targets, we look at the scale score and try to look at targets. Percentiles given in the exam is based on scale scores. But what we actually score is the raw score. So how much is the difference? So let's try to understand because that will help us to understand what we need to actually score so that to get that percentile that is required. So raw score is what you actually score in the exam. So when you give the examination, you get a particular score based on your correct and wrong. That is a raw score. Scale score is what you obtain once you scale up your score. Because the paper is difficult, they may increase your marks. Paper is easy, they may decrease your marks. So across slots, they can compare your marks with different slots. That's what happens. Now understand that it could vary up to 10 marks normally. It can vary more also. I'm not saying it can vary more. But what is seen is yes, up to 10 marks your scores can actually go up and actually go down. Very huge in a CAT. It also depends on somewhere in the variance of difficult level of the paper in different slot. So how difficult or how easy it is there in different slots. That becomes very important. Paper is very difficult, they'll scale up more. Paper is very easy, they will scale down more. Also understand each section will have a different scaling. So when the scaling happens, they don't scale the whole paper. They scale each section. So verbal is scaled separately, DILR is scaled separately, and cont is scaled separately to get it. And overall scaling is the sum of the section wise scaling. So let's try to understand with few examples. There are examples of my students. Also one more thing, it's possible that at higher marks you may be actually scaled up, but maybe at lower marks people may be scaled down. Possible. I mean, in the same slot, for example, in slot 2, a person has got 40 marks in DLR, his 40 marks could become 44, but a person who has got 10 marks in DLR could be scaled down to 8. That is also possible. Scaling is how people score across slots. So this is also possibility as such. So let's try to look at CAT 20 slot 2. So these are 4 of my students who scored different percentiles in the CAT exam, just to make you understand how the slot 2 was scaled. So if you look at verbal was scaled down, not too much but little bit. If you look at lower marks, the scaling was more than at higher marks. So at lower marks, let's say 34 and 35, the scaling was more than 1 mark down. But at a higher mark 42, the scaling was just 0.48 marks. In this verbal, I'm not saying everywhere in this particular section. So verbal was scaled down with higher scores being scaled less than the lower scores. But that could vary. At a lower slots, that could be different scaling which could happen, lower marks. DLR was scaled up. So 30% who's got raw score 33 went to 33.63. Whereas the DLR 33 went to 37 marks, plus 4 just in one section. 34 went to 38.12 plus 4.12 in one section. Same with cont was scaled up. So slot 2 was supposed to be a difficult paper. 53 to 57.62 plus 4.6 marks and so on. Right? 47 to 51 plus 4 marks. So scaling would be different at different slots as such. Now some of the scaling was the overall scaling. So 125 was scaled up to 132. 125 came from addition of 42, 30 and 53. 132.7 came up with the addition of the scaled marks. Your percentage is calculated on a scale score. So that means you can look at it. 125 was actually scaled to 132, which is 7.77 marks scaling. Scaled up by that much marks. Okay, obviously it will differ from different marks, but yes, 7.77 out here it was almost 6.85. So use scaling. So these are about people who scored so much percent. I'll just give you a breakup of the marks scored by different people. So this is a tentative breakup of 4 of my students who were in slot 2, and these were the percentiles that he scored. Okay, now let's look at, this is not the same for all the slots. So every slot will be different. Okay, so your overall was scaled up. For slot 1, if you look at verbal was scaled up. Okay, unlike in slot 2 verbal was scaled down. That means slot 1 verbal was tougher and therefore was scaled up. The marks went up. Whereas DLR was scaled down. That means DLR slot 1 was easier than slot 2. Therefore the marks came down by almost 4 marks if you look at it. Right? And cont again was scaled up. So this is what happened. So overall it was scaled up. Okay, overall it was scaled up. That's how it goes. If you look at slot 3, verbal again was scaled down, but not by much, a little bit. Okay, whereas DLR was scaled up, if you look at it, a little bit, and cont was scaled down. Okay, this is how it happened. So if you look at overall, I gave you two different marks because look, if you look at here, the scaling is one down. I've taken this marks to show that in the same thing the scaling went up actually. Why did the scaling go up out here? Because the student H scored more marks in DLR where the scaling went up, and therefore his overall scaling went up, right? Whereas student G scored lesser marks in DLR where the scaling went up, so his overall weightage of DLR was less, therefore his overall score also went down. So that means your overall scaling doesn't only depends on overall score but also on the individual how you score. So if you look at notice H, the reason his scores were scaled up, though most of the students in slot 3 the scores were scaled down, but student H had a scaling up because of DLR score. High DLR score helped him to score a higher uptick, and that helped him to get a scaling which is up. I hope this helps to understand how the scaling is done. If you look at the marks, you'll also know how much of the scaling is done. So your scaling is done based on marks. From this, you will get a fair idea about the marks to percentile as such. And that will help you maybe to accordingly target what you need to score to some extent. Also, don't worry if the paper is tough or the paper is easy. Remember, paper is tough, your scores will scale up. Paper is easy, the scores will scale down. Do your best in the slot, and that is what is important. Hope that helps. Thank you.